Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we'll be solving some word problems in which we'll be adding and subtracting some fractions. So the first question is, Sally works 7 upon 9 hours on Sunday and 5 upon 18 hours on Monday. How many hours she worked altogether? So basically, whatever she has worked on Sunday and Monday, we're going to plus them. So Sunday she is working 7 over 9 hours. And Monday she is working 5 upon 18. So I'm going to just plus them, 5 over 18. Now guys, the golden principle is whenever you are adding or subtracting fraction, you have to make the same denominator. So I can see this is 9, this is 18. Some of the students do cross multiplication, things like that, which is not wrong, but absolutely randy. I don't recommend this. So 9 and 18, I want to make both of them same. So here, the very simple thing is, if I'm multiplying this 9 by 2, then 9 2s are 18. I can make this 18. Then they both will be same. But you got to be careful, no racism. Whatever you are multiplying denominator, the same number you have to multiply numerator as well to balance this. So now that is going to be 7 2s are 14 over 9 2s are 18 plus 5 over 18. Now as you can see, I do have the same denominator. Once you have the same denominator, you can make a bigger line and put down 18 underneath. Just please don't do 18 plus 18, 36. That's wrong. Once you have the same denominator, that's the same number you're going to put down here. Only top bit you're going to plus or minus. So here you're going to do 14 plus 5, which is going to be equal to 19 over 18. Now in most of the cases, guys, in maths, this is an improper fraction because my numerator is bigger than the denominator. And the recommended thing is, whenever there is an improper fraction, change that to mixed fraction. So 19 over 18. So if I want to change that, 18 ones are 18, so 1 whole. 18 ones are 18. And then 19 minus 18 is 1, so 1 remainder. And then whatever is the denominator will go the same. So all together, Sally has worked 1 whole and 1 upon 18 hours of work altogether. Question number 2. So in this particular question, we'll be dealing with adding the mixed fractions. So let us read the question first. Candy bought 6 3 upon 4 kilogram of oil in January, 5 1 upon 8 kilogram in February, and 7 1 upon 2 kilogram in March. How much oil did she buy in all? So basically, whatever she bought in different months, we're going to just plus them. So in January, how much oil is Candy buying, which is 6 whole and 3 upon 4. So 6 3 upon 4. Plus, in February, 5 1 upon 8. So I'll be plussing that 5 1 upon 8. And in March, 7 1 upon 2. So plus 7 1 upon 2. So I think the very first thing is very easy to understand. Whatever she is buying in January, February, March, we're going to add them up. But now only the thing is, we are adding up the mixed fractions. So my very first request is, we're going to change our mixed fraction into improper fraction. If you've got a bit of a difficulty in doing that, I've got a separate video of changing mixed fraction into improper and improper into mixed. So you can just watch that and then you can do this question, yeah? But that's not very hard. You can learn here as well. So when we are changing into improper, this number 4, I'm going to multiply with this number. So 4 6 are 24. And the top number, I'm going to plus it. 4 6 are 24 plus 3, which is 27. And 27, what is the number in the denominator? That's the same. Now in the same way, I'll change 5 1 upon 8 into improper fraction, which is 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 1, which is 41 over 8. And the last one is 7, 1 upon 2. So 2 times 7, 14. 14 plus 1, which is 15. And my denominator is going to be same. So the very first thing is I have changed my mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now, as you do know from the first question, whenever you are adding or subtracting fraction, you have to make the same denominator. So I have got my denominator 4, 8, and 2. If I want to make all the denominators same, I can change everything into 8. So this, I'll leave it as it is. 4, if I'm multiplying by 2, 4 2 is 8. 2, if I'm multiplying by 4, that should be 2 4 is 8 as well. So what am I going to do is I'll be multiplying this 4 by 2 to make that 8. But again, as we discussed, no racism. Whatever you're multiplying in the denominator, you go to multiply the same number on the top as well. And to make the 8 here, I'm going to multiply here by 4. So 2 4 is 8. But no racism, guys. Same number on the top. You should not forget, yeah? And that's what the thing. So now we'll rewrite the things. So 27 2 is 54 and 4 2 is 8 plus 41 over 8 plus 15 times 4, which is 60 over 8. Now the best thing is we do have the same denominator. So I can make a bigger line. I can write down the number 8, and on the top, whatever the numbers, I can plus them, which is 54 plus 41 plus 60. Now guys, if you really wanna add them up quickly, I will teach you the technique as well. So let us say, I'll not start from that end, but I know like 60 plus 40 makes 100, is it not? So 60 plus 40 is 100. So this is going to be 100 and then 54. So 154. And then there's one more here. So that will make me 155 divided by 8. What did I do is 60 plus 40, 100. And then 100 plus 54 is 154. There's one more number here. So 155 upon 8. That's easier. If you start from this end, that's going to take more time. Yeah. So always be more creative. And maths can be more interesting, guys. So 155 upon 8. So this is my improper fraction. And the answer should be in a mixed fraction. So I'll be changing 155 over 8 into a mixed fraction. To do that, what am I going to do is a bit of a long division I can do here. So 155 divided by 8. So I can do like 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 8 1s are 8 is good. So what is the remainder? 15 minus 8 is 7. So I'll do the short one here. So 7. So 75. So I can do 8 9s are 72. So my remainder is going to be 3, because 75 minus 72 is going to be 3. So 19 is the quotient. So that quotient goes here. Whatever is the remainder goes on the top. And whatever the division, that's going down here. So 19 whole, 3 upon 8. So all together, Candy is buying 19 3 upon 8 kilogram of oil.